Ano ba ang 3 building blocks for a solid financial foundation? Is this even important? Yes. Kung meron ka kasing solid financial foundation, whatever financial crisis that you will face ay masosolve lang very smoothly. And the first thing that you need is health insurance. Kung meron ka kasing health insurance, if in case you get sick, ay hindi mo na kailangan pang maglabas ng pera from your own pocket. Kasi ang health insurance mo na ang magbabayad. The second thing that you need is life insurance. If in case tawagin ka na ng maaga talaga ni Lord, your family will not face financial difficulties for decades. Dahil yan sa life insurance mo. The third thing that you need is investments. If in case you live too long, your investments will become your source of income kahit hindi ka na nagtratrabaho. Kaya kapatid, it's very important to start building your solid financial foundation today. See you on my next video.